We often get the question, why Goodman? That answer is easy. Top quality at great prices. We choose to sell Goodman air conditioners and furnaces because they match our mission to help you save thousands of dollars on one of your most important purchases. Goodman provides cost savings plus peace of mind that your HVAC system will reliably heat and cool your home for a long time to come. And they back it up with an industry-leading warranty, so you know they mean it. With all the other big brand names out there, let's dig into why we chose Goodman air conditioners and furnaces. Number one has got to be price. There's no getting around it. This is a big purchase for the average homeowner. We're constantly scanning the market to ensure we're giving you the best deal, and Goodman air conditioners, heat pumps, and furnaces are coming in at prices that are as much as 40% lower than the big brand competition. Another thing we really like about Goodman is that they're constantly improving their technology. That lets you cash in on better efficiency and performance, which means lower energy bills each month. In the past 5 years alone, they've released the Smart Coil, ComfortNet control system, and the all-aluminum evaporator coil. These are important innovations that improve your home's comfort. Like I said earlier, Goodman also stands behind their products with one of the best warranty programs in the industry. And it's not just what they say on paper, it's how they honor these warranties and treat customers when they call. That's really important to us because we know you don't have the time to deal with layers of customer service. If your air conditioner or furnace needs attention, it needs it now, so your family can be comfortable. So that's the technical and practical reasons to choose Goodman. But we also like them for the kind of company they are. Their products are made right here in the USA, employing Americans. And they've made a significant commitment to hiring veterans and helping veterans' families. That's why we chose Goodman. We hope you'll consider Goodman too for your new air conditioner or furnace. Feel free to contact us to discuss more details about these features.